Have you seen a painting lately? That's right. Icy Hair got me looking like a painting. Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It is your favorite baby girl, Mama Dyna Ekwueme, and in today's one we're going to be unboxing and reviewing an amazing, gorgeous, beautiful, everything nice type of hair from ISEE Hair. See, I know I sound really excited. That's because I am. I haven't worked with this brand before, but I already know that what I'm going to be unboxing in this video is one of a kind. This is how the packaging came, all cute, all pinkish, all girly, all sophisticated. It was just giving everything it should. Like, even after this review, I'm not giving anybody that bag. That bag is not going to the bin. But yeah, this is all ISEE sent me. This package, it came with a headband, which I ended up wearing in this video. As you can see, it also came with instructions on how to take care of this particular hair and any other type of hair you would like to order from ISEE Hair. It also came with a contact information if you're looking to sell or resell wigs from them. But then the main deal of today is this hair. Just take a look at your screen. Take a look at this beauty. This is the Burmese kinky curly hair. It is 22-inch long and it is just everything. I haven't even put this hair on. It hasn't been installed. Just look at how amazingly beautiful and breathtaking it's looking. Of course, my hairstylist will be helping me install this hair. You'll be needing a needle and thread if you live here in Nigeria or wherever you are watching this video and you'd love to put in an order for this hair. You'll definitely be needing needle and thread, and I would say roughly 30 to 40 minutes because I was creating content. It took 30 to 40 minutes to finish up this hair, but it was quite seamless. I would recommend that you get a hairstylist or someone that can help you with this if you can't do it yourself. This is how my hair was just woven to the back, and I left the front so it comes out really natural. Anyway, anyhow you want to install this hair is your choice. This is how I wanted it to look very, very natural. Bundle of this messy kinky curly hair from ISEE Hair actually weighs 150 grams, so we didn't expect that the hair was going to be this full. We didn't use all 3 packs because I was sent 3 packs of this particular hair, and we just ended up using 2.5. As you can see, the hair is quite full. It looks very natural. It blends with my natural hair. It's not heavy, it's lightweight, and it's absolutely gorgeous. At this point, I was feeling and looking like Beyonce. I'm a diva. Hey. Anyway, if you love what you see, all the details will be in the description area below. Check out this hair, visit their website and get a discount for this particular hair. All the links will be in the description area below. I would love to know what you think about this hair. I had to just style it, different styles. I asked my hairstylist to style it, all up, 2 up, to the side. However, to tell you that you can never ever go wrong with this hair. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty of a hair. This is one of the most gorgeous hairs I've had to wear in the year 2026, and as a black queen, I mean, this can fit into any occasion that you want to go to. This hair will do. It looks absolutely natural. Of course, it is human hair. absolutely 100% human hair. It doesn't tangle, it doesn't shed, it is quite full. But yeah, I would love to know, like I said, your thoughts in the comment section below. If you absolutely loved this particular video, give it a massive thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. For now, bye bye.